In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create successful Google Ads search campaigns. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up, launch, and start optimizing a campaign that tracks real results and uses your budget wisely. First, sign into your Google Ads account so everything we do is saved in the right place. Before you build anything, head to Goals and then Conversions. This is where you define what success looks like: purchases, leads, calls, or form submissions. Clear goals guide every decision you'll make. Next, set up conversion tracking. Choose the conversion actions you care about and install tracking properly, whether that's via the Google tag, a tag manager, or by importing from your analytics. Test your setup to make sure conversions fire correctly. Nothing's worse than optimizing blind. With tracking ready, open the keyword planner. Use it to find high intent queries your customers actually type, estimate search volume and cost, and group related terms into themes. Favor queries that show strong intent and avoid vague or research only terms if you're focused on leads or sales. Create a new search campaign and align the campaign objective with your chosen conversions. Make sure your conversion actions are included in the campaign settings so smart bidding can learn from the right signals. Configure your networks and locations. For pure search performance, stick with the search network and choose only the regions you serve. Refine your location options so you reach people in your target area and set the right languages. Set your daily budget and pick a bidding strategy. If you're just starting, you can begin with maximize conversions and layer in a target cost per action once you have data. Keep your budget realistic and allow the algorithm room to learn. Build tightly themed ad groups. Group just a handful of closely related keywords per ad group so your ads can speak directly to each searcher's intent. Write responsive search ads that cover your main keyword themes, key benefits, and clear calls to action. Provide plenty of headlines and descriptions. Use your primary keywords naturally in a few spots and only pin when necessary to keep flexibility. Add ad assets to boost visibility and click through. Include site links to key pages, call outs for short value points, and a call asset if you accept phone calls. Fill out every relevant asset to earn more real estate on the results page. Before you launch, add a negative keyword list to filter out irrelevant searches and protect your budget. Now launch. In maintenance, check performance frequently, especially early on. After a week, review insights and reports in open search terms to see what users actually typed. Add new negatives, expand on winning themes, refine match types, and iterate your ads. Keep testing and improving, and your campaign will get stronger over time.